Hi, my name is Lisa Medved, and this is my introduction for AEP 859 Curriculum and Evaluation of PK through 12 schools. I was born and raised in Pueblo, Colorado. I've been married 16 years. We have two kids, a daughter who's 10 and a son who's 7. I received my bachelor's from the University of Denver in 1998. I'm certified to teach in 2001. I did some work with gifted and talented education through Adams State University in Colorado, and this is my last semester of my Building Leadership MA at Fort Hays. I have taught elementary school for 18 years, 2nd through 4th grade. Most of my time has been spent at 3rd grade. The majority of my teaching career has been in Title I schools, teaching families from lower socioeconomic backgrounds, both in Colorado and in Illinois. This is my 5th year teaching at a public charter school. It's a K-12 school. I've spent the last 4 years teaching 3rd grade and am currently teaching 2nd grade this year, and I'm really quite enjoying it. I've done a few things at the school. I'm on the accountability team for some of my hours. I'm also chairing the Sunshine Committee and took over for one of the administrators doing that. I'm also the teacher representative for our Education Foundation, which works to fund building projects at our charter school. I have several personal and professional goals. My personal goal is to unpack the boxes and get my house in order. We moved last September. Of course, school year was already well underway, and so I've had very little time between starting a new grade level and moving and working on my classes to organize my house or actually unpack anything very much. So we've kind of been living in chaos for a bit. So that is both a short-term and long-term goal in my personal life. My professional life, short-term, since I'm so close to finishing my degree, that's my short-term goal. I want to spend some time, since I spent this year, first year in 2nd grade at this school, spending some time on my lesson plans. It was sort of very quick, and among some other personal issues and moving, I've not gotten time to really develop my lessons the way I would normally do. I would like to be able to serve in a leadership capacity at my current school, not necessarily as a principal, although if that opportunity arose, I'd certainly try for it. But, as more of a teacher in charge and substituting for administrators when needed, also chairing other committees or serving on in other ways for my school. That's short term. Long term, though, when my kids are grown, I'd like to possibly get a building leadership position in a charter school. The district that we're neighbors with really has a struggle with a lot of things, and I think a charter school might be one of the answers to try to turn around some of the issues they're having. So in this class, I really hope to learn a lot. I'd like to learn how to better evaluate curriculum and to know what to look for, what makes the curriculum good. I'd like to know about different curriculum adoption processes that districts and schools go through. We have one that's formal in name, I would say, but probably not formal in practice or systematic in practice. So I think it would be interesting to know how others do that. I'd like to know about trends and research in curriculum, and I also, this isn't something that I may learn in this class, but certainly may be more empowered to embrace change with curriculum. We did just adopt a new curriculum at my school, and I'm enjoying it very much, but of course change is difficult, and how I'd like to know how to better embrace it, and then how to encourage others to embrace it, because I know there's a lot of people struggling at my school with new curriculum, and how to encourage others as a leader to go forward and put their best foot forward with that. So that's all I have for my introduction. I look forward to learning with you all, and good luck with this class.